Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Rouse Hill for a Sydney Metro construction progress. I'm just around the corner from the Rouse Hill station, which is currently under construction. I'll show you that in just a moment. In front of me here is the gantry crane that is used to build a massive viaduct, because they won't be able to build a tunnel through here because it was built on a floodplain. This is the only engineering option. Massive gantry crane imported from overseas, and that will lead us to Carjacon Road near Schofields. I haven't covered any of this just yet, and I'll show you the construction progress of the new Rouse Hill station. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are the artist impressions of trains that they'll be using on the new Sydney Metro Northwest. That will come in the first half of 2019. I've given you guys a tour of what this train looked like at the Sydney Royal Easter Show recently on a Good Friday. I'll give you guys an inside look at what these trains look like. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here is the artist's impression of the new Rouse Hill station. And that's the actual Sky Bridge artist impression as it looks like. This should operate as 6 car sets, but it will upgrade to 8 car sets as progress as demand increases. And it's Australia's biggest public transport project. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the construction progress of a brand new Rouse Hill station, seen under construction at the moment. It'll look a bit good in like 2.5 years, a year's time. I'll be coming back and doing the opening day vlog covering all the Sydney Metro Northwest stations. Unfortunately, that's all I have to show you guys, so it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.